What's up, guys, and welcome back. I just want to give y'all a little bit of good news as to what's going on in the market as of today. And we're going to be looking at a cannabis stock. This is bright green, and it's up 12% on the day, not on the week. This is 12% on the day. So if you look up here, we're going to trace it back to 8:30 this morning. It was trading at 52 cents a share, and then we're going to go all the way up to about 2:30 p.m. It was trading at 57 cents a share, which actually was a 14% gain on the day. So that's the peak right there, 14%. And what I'll do right now is give you a little bit more info on bright green. So what we'll do is scroll down just a little bit here. All right, so the About section, this is under Bright Green. Bright Green Corporation is a provider of cannabis-related products, and other legal medicinal plant-based therapies, manufactured for research and pharmaceutical applications, as well as being an active ingredient in consumer-based solutions. The company plans to focus on the development of cannabis strains and the sales of products with high contents of CBN and CBG. All right, so and the company was founded or is headquartered in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, USA. So there you go. I've been watching Bright Green for quite some time now. I actually have day traded, and also I have also made some swing trades with Bright Green, and it does this. What it'll do, I mean, like, again, this is not financial advice, first of all, and I cannot advise you or suggest that you buy, sell, or hold any stock. You need to do your own research before doing that. However, I just want to give y'all a little bit of history on what this stock has done. It is considered a penny stock, right? And as you can see here, it is involved in the bear market, just like most other stocks, but it has peaks and valleys. And as you see here, from Friday, it was down 29% on the week, but it made a sharp turnaround and it came back up. And so it gained from 29% down, it actually gained 17% by the beginning of the week. So there you go. That's Bright Green for you. Now, what you want to do, or if you don't mind, if you guys have done any trading or investing in Bright Green, let me know down in the comments, man. I want to see, just see what experience or success y'all have had trading this stock in particular. Let's look at another one that was doing well today. And here we are, Avis Budget. All right, Avis, which is the car rental company, they actually were up 16% on the day. And so, and actually you see there, I mean, it rose steadily throughout the day. Over the past week, Avis is up 18%. All right. And then over the past month, look at this now. Avis Budget Group is up 58% over the past 30 days. Now that is almost like a bear market run right there. A bull. It's on a bull run within a bear market. So I would refer to that as a mini bull run. All right. And yeah, that's just something I wanted to share with y'all, man. Not every stock is doing poorly right now. Not every stock is on a downward trajectory right now. There are some stocks that are doing quite well. And if you do your research, you may be able to find that diamond in the rough that can help you out during this overall bear market that we're in right now. So I just wanted to kind of relay that to y'all, man. And again, if y'all have had any luck with some of these stocks that are doing well right now, man, let me know down in the comments. I want to hear from y'all. Y'all have a good evening.